Good morning, guys. So this is the next day. We are on our way to Macau, boarding on the turbojet. We just arrived in Macau at near the restaurant. We're just making our way there to the little restaurant called Po Zai Ngok. This is the restaurant Alberg 1601. Apparently it's really good. We made a reservation for 1 o'clock. 以前係俾麻風病人住。哦，sorry，即係呢間嘢。呢一區啊。哦，呢一區 ，OK。Apparently the doors, honey. The doors. So they kept the structure for the wine glasses, and then these are all like old fixtures and just old architecture. We also ordered a seafood rice. This is our white wine sangria. So this is the hospital where my mom studied for her nursing degree when she was younger in Macau. This is the hospital. Wow, which side is it? 係啊，頭先四姨都講啊，即係呢度係咪啊？改晒。So we are at the St. Paul's Church, whatever is remaining of it. This is the only wall left after the fire. Hello? It didn't used to be this many people when I came last time. It's craziness, guys. It's so busy today. So today is the day before New Year's Day. Today's the day before New Year's Eve. And yeah, it's full of people. What's this store? Oh, jerky. Jerky. 400 years old, she said. The treasure of sacred art. So crazy, the streets here. 前而家唔係啦。
而家唔係啦，而家唔知變到咧，全部都賣嘢。
哦。We came all the way here for this coffee shop and Portuguese tart, and it's closed. So my mom and auntie went to buy Portuguese tart from another place instead. This is it. OK 喎，呢度其實啲嘢。